Hello, fellow freelancers. This is just a quick video, fellow translators, I should say, freelance translators. I'm mixing everything up. No, I just wanted to do a brief video that pertains to the Freelance Translator Certification Test. I've done another video where I talk about this, about how you take this test and, it certifies you, et cetera, et cetera. And the issue that I have that I wanted to mention, and I knew this will become an issue at some point, is that you can take this test once. Now, it used to be you could take it once a week. Now you can take it once every 24 hours. And you are allowed to take it, once. If you don't pass it, you take it again the next day, etc. And that's fine. I have no problem with people doing that. Obviously, the questions aren't going to be the same. There's a database of questions, a data bank of many questions, and so it takes a long time before any of the questions are repeated, and they're mixed and matched anyway. So it's fine. Now, my issue with it though is when people try to game the system. According to this, if you take it from the same IP address, you can't take it more than once per day. But there's an issue with that or something, because I've noticed some people just plug in different email addresses and just take it over and over. And I recently had one person do this right here. Obviously, I had to delete, or I had to censor the names. Let's say I don't want to release everyone's name of everyone who took it. But if you look at this AG here, this AG took it many times in a row, then this BT took it in the middle, but then this AG, and look at here, 210, 226, 324, 336, 351, 359, all in the same, couple hours period, basically. I mean, there was a bit of a break between these, but otherwise, he took it all in a very close together period, and then finally passed after not passing many times. Obviously, he's gaming the system. He's just taking it over and over and over again until he passes, if by luck. I mean, at a certain point, he is going to pass by luck. They're all multiple choice questions anyway. But these were all with different email addresses, just slightly different. He obviously created a new email address on Gmail every single time, and just kept doing it until he passed. And I don't want people to game the system, obviously, like this. Now, I've had a couple of these. But lately, I seem to be seeing more and more, and it kind of gets me worried. So I'm thinking right now that I might start charging for this course. So let me go through this quickly. If I do charge, right now the price is set at 0. There's no price set to take this. If I do charge, I'll charge the lowest I can. So, but it doesn't let me do a real. So if I try 99 cents like it is now, and then I go down and say save changes, it says must be greater than or equal to $4.95, or use 0 for no charge. So it'll have to be $4.95. But what I might do is I will then offer you or anyone who asks a coupon to be able to take it for free. I don't want to make money off of this. So even if I change it and start charging for this, I'm not going to do it just now, but I might in the near future. And even if I do, you will always be able to contact me for coupons. But at least that way I can make sure you're not just taking it 55 times in a day and then just doing it until you pass randomly. And that's really what I'm trying to avoid here. So I guess I'm just making this video to see what your thoughts are. Obviously, you will still be able to take it for free. Just contact me. I can give you like an access code where it'll be an access URL basically where you don't have to pay for it. But at least I can make sure that you're not taking it 10 or 20 times in a row until you pass randomly, because I just don't want that to happen, because unfortunately what happens is people stop trusting the test itself, and so then other people who look at the certificate and other agencies or anyone who wants to look at it will suddenly say, oh, but this system has been gamed before, and so I don't trust it anymore. And that's really what I'm trying to avoid. So I think I might be doing that. If you have any input, feel free to let me know. But otherwise, I think I'm going to do that soon. Obviously, for those of you watching the video, if you ever see it and it's being charged, you can just get in touch with me and I will give you an access code so that you don't have to pay for it. But obviously, you can only take it once per day. Yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much all. It's kind of a rant. I was kind of annoyed at that one guy. I think it was just a straw that broke the camel's back, because I've seen it a couple other times, not often, but I feel like lately it's been a bit more. And I've mentioned this before, that if people started gaming the system, I'll start charging for it, and I think that's what's going to start happening. So just a fair warning to let you guys know, if you want, you can go to freelancetranslatorcertification.com and take it for free until I start charging for it, in which case you can always just ask me for a coupon. Okay, that's pretty much it. I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.